everyone, welcome to today's video. We're opening up the November Ipsy bags. The theme this month is creature comforts. The weather outside is frightful. It's a little hot still where I am. Am I annoying that I say that like every time we meet? But anyways, the weather outside is getting frightful, but we've got you covered with all things delightful. Cozy out this month with this month's array of creature comforts, nourishing skincare, at-home treatments, and feel-good makeup for guaranteed beauty bliss. And it talks about gathering together while you're giving things for friends and family this holiday. Make sure to show yourself a little gratitude too. Treat yourself to a feast of endless beauty inspiration, self-care tips, and warm and fuzzy moments. And remember to share the delight with your fave people, whether it's your latest skincare discovery or a meme that makes you laugh out loud. So we are opening up the Glam Bag and the Glam Bag Plus today. This is what the Glam Bag looks like. So they match really well. I think these are so cute. I love this orange color. Right now I'm like so into orange and greens, like obsessed, like looking at my nails. So it says Ipsy here. Here is the Ipsy Plus. So I will link Ipsy down below. This is kindly gifted to me for review, but it is not sponsored, and I do not have an affiliate link, so I will just link their regular website down below if you're interested in subscribing. Let's get started with the Ipsy Glam Bag. So the inside of the bag doesn't have any special coloring or anything like that. I'm just going to take one by one out. How about? So the first item here, we have a little palette by PYT Beauty. I like these little palettes. I'm more into like miniature things, and I've been traveling more lately, and I want to keep traveling. I love it. So little things like this are like little makeup and palettes are totally something I'm into. This is the Upcycle Eyeshadow Party in the Nude. So we have 2 shimmers and 2 mattes here. Very pretty. Cute. And then, okay, this is the one item I took a sneak peek at and sniff. I have gotten really into fragrance lately, you guys. I love it. So this is by Gloss Modern Clean Luxury Perfume Oil in Universal. And this smells so good. I couldn't help it. I was putting things into the bags because some come out, and I saw this. I love how simplistic it is. So I think this could be, is it universal? Because it can go either way. That sounds funny. Clean Luxury Perfume Oil. So this is an alcohol-free line of delicate perfumes, higher in concentration than Eau de Perfume. I don't know if I'm saying that right. A rich oil that nourishes even the most sensitive of skins and envelopes it with fine fragrance. Housed in Italian glass vessels with an elegant roll-on design, a beautiful statement of our deep commitment to luxury, quality, and sustainability at Gloss Modern. So they make their perfume oils in France. And I don't think I see a description of the actual front. It's lovely. So it's a rollerball. Oh my god, I love it. It just smells. It's called Clean Luxury Perfume Oil. It smells clean. It smells wonderful. I wish I could describe it better, but I am so excited to have this. I love it. And then, this is cool, you guys. Look at it. It's a little candle. I don't think I've ever gotten a candle. Well, that's a lie. I got one as a PR item by Ipsy, but I've never gotten one by a brand in the Ipsy bags. And I didn't even know this brand did this. I feel like all brands should make candles because, like, who doesn't love a candle? Juicy Couture, Honeybee, Wild Honey, Creamy Vanilla, and Orange Blossom Fine Fragrance Soy Candle. It's so little and cute. I love it. Let's take a sniff. This smells so good. It's so cute. Yeah, it smells like honey. Yeah, it has like a little bit of a summery scent, which I love. So yeah, honey, creamy vanilla, and orange blossom. It smells so good. And then we have mascara here by It Cosmetics. This is their lash blowout. I'm not going to open it because I just opened a new mascara, and this might be going in a giveaway. Which, by the way, I owe you guys a giveaway. Maybe we'll have one in this video or one soon. And then we have a full product. This is by M2U NYC Matte Liquid Lip. That's a pretty fall shade. What's the name of it? Queens. Very pretty. So that is everything in the Ipsy Glam Bag. Just gonna push these over a little bit to the side. There we go. Now let's get into the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Into there. You guys have to let me know what you got in your Ipsy. Ooh, Pure Lease, pumpkin and ginger detoxifying charcoal mask. You guys, I just wrote a list of all the ways I want to be healthier and just like have more self-care in my life. And I said I want to do more face masks. I have not been doing them. I used to be better about it, and now I have a new one. I'm excited. Yay, gently detoxifies, pores, clarifies, brightens, exfoliates, and purifies. Oh, I am excited about that. And then Iconic London. Ooh, we got some brushes. This is like a velvet bag. I like it. Who else desperately needs to wash their brushes? We have the white ferrule here, and awesome, 4 eye brushes. We got like a packing brush, a detail brush, and 2 blender brushes. This is awesome. Should really clean mine and not use these for myself, but I can't decide yet. And then by Shades by Shan, we have the setting spray. You are very beautiful. This setting spray is infused with hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, and ginseng. Your skin will feel plump, hydrated, and refreshed. Oh, cool. They give proceeds to the Mama Berries nonprofit foundation that helps single parents in need. That's nice. Let's see what it looks like. This is what it looks like here. Nice. I like the gold writing on there. And then we have, what does that say? Rena rebelled. Rena rebelled on your face and eyes color palette. Ooh, you know, I was just talking about how I like palettes for travel now. This might be perfect. It says face about it. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I love this. Oh my god, butterfly. This is the first time I like the inside packaging like way more than the outside. You know, so it's like this sleeve will be more like colorful. This is so cute, and look at it in the back. I love this. Ooh. It says, Rena rebelled, unapologetically celebrates our many powerful dualities of products that are as beautiful as they are fierce. Our multi-use Presamida palette includes 6 attention-getting shades that are guaranteed to give you that regal glow-up. We are proud to be a Latina-owned brand offering products that are cruelty-free, vegan, paraben, and phthalate-free. Conamore, Regina, the founder. I love the packaging and I love everything about this. Oh my god, I can't wait to try it. Look how pretty this shade right here looks. Okay, I have to. I'm like so into these shades right now. OMG. Okay. Such a dork. OMG. Oh, guys, I am a fan. Okay, let's. There's a blush. Ooh. And then I'm gonna. Okay, not the best. This is my little impromptu swatches, but I actually really like how these swatches. Oh, that orange shade. What's it called? Chula. Oh my gosh. I haven't worn makeup in a while. Well, I did when I was traveling, that's a lie, but since I've been home, I've only been home 2 days, but I want that on my eyeball, yes. That is seriously the shade I was talking about when I said I'm loving deep oranges and greens right now. Oh my god, I love it. I'm super excited about this. I've never tried this brand. I love trying new brands that I'm excited about. Yay. And then the last item in here, this is by Super Mellow, or this is Kinship, Super Mellow Hydrating Gel Cream Moisturizer. Cool, calm, and hydrated. Clean, cruelty-free, dermatologist tested. This might be one that was meant to be in the regular Glam Bag. But some of the, like I was saying before, I had to put some into bags. So I'm guessing maybe like swap one of these out, but So this is a soft, fluffy gel cream moisturizer packed with good-for-you ingredients to cool, nourish skin while reducing the appearance of redness. So it's made with hyaluronic acid, coconut water, marshmallow root, and kinbiome. I have to read that because I don't know what it is. Plant-based prebiotic supports clear skin and a strong skin barrier. Awesome. This is what it looks like. You guys, I'm really excited about this. I liked everything. The item I'm the most excited about is this palette here. And the mask, and I like the bags, candle, the perfume. Okay, my top 2 items would be the perfume from the Glam Bag, and then from the Glam Bag Plus, it would be this face palette, this eye and face palette. But everything is pretty damn awesome. So I would love to know your thoughts down below. And also, let me know what you're getting in your Ipsy. If you get Ipsy, again, Ipsy's linked in the description. And I mentioned giveaways, so I'm just going to pick a random video every month and do a giveaway now instead of just announcing a random winner on the first of each month. So stay tuned for that. It'll be it won't be like announced like obviously in the thumbnail or anything like that, but I will have one in an upcoming video super soon. So at least a few of these items will be in there. Thank you guys so much for your support. I'm so grateful for each and every one of you. I hope you are well. I love you so much. It always puts me in a great mood filming these unboxings, and it's like I'm chatting here with my friends. I love you guys so much. I hope you're well, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.